got my Birchbox. So we're gonna jump right in. Here we go. We got a pretty purple one. I didn't even know that this was purple. I just sat down and undid this, and I got purple on today. Hey. All right. It's got some pretty flowers on it. Okay, let's get her open. Birchbox tip 123. For the next 10 minutes, enjoy some you time. You deserve it. Take some time for yourself with the products below. Let's see. This card, Female Founder Collective Birchbox. In honor of our partnership with the Female Founder Collective, we asked a few of the women at Birchbox to pick a FFC member that they admire and share why. What? Oh, I'm not reading all this. There's too much on there. See? What?
Let me hold it closer for you.
Sure. No, not that side. The other side. See? There's too much on there.
Yeah.
So if you want that in there, you'll have to take a picture.
We'll take a picture of that.
Alright, so this month we have items from Benefit Cosmetics, Ico, Mana Cater, Kadar, probably Kadar, A-A-D-A-R, Cosmetics. Oh, some more Oride, Wilma Schumann Skincare, and supposed to have a product from their line, Arrow. Remember my first one? I didn't have an Arrow product, but I had a card for it. So let's see. My tissue paper is a little messed up. Go. So I got another dry shampoo. This one's called Gold Lust. I didn't care for the last one. I don't care for dry shampoos. I feel like all the ones I've ever tried, including this one, it made my hair coarse. And I've been watching a lot of the Brad Mondo, and he did a review over a lot of different dry shampoos and stuff like that. And he calls it it's just like a powder over the hair, and it makes it white. And I've noticed that on my hair because my hair is darker. I mean, I'll try it, I'll use it, but we'll see. Okay. Like I said, that's the Oride Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Full size is $48. Instantly soaks up excess oil while boosting strands' length and softness, minus any texture or grit. But, like I said, the last one said that as well, and I felt texture and grit. So, we'll try this one. Alright, so here's this one. Benefit. They're Real Mascara. Full size is $25. We love that mascara. It can make you look instantly more awake. This mascara gives lashes a naturally lengthened and volumized look. Gently wiggle the wand from lash line to lash tip. Don't we all do that though? And then another trick I learned is once that dries, while you're doing something else, apply another thing of mascara to your eyelashes. Longer, fuller eyelashes. I love it. My sister taught me that. Thanks, Becky. Alright, let's see. What kind of brush is this? I like brushes. I don't like the plastic tips. And it's a plastic tip. That's what a lot of them are going to nowadays. And I don't really care for it. I like regular brushes. But, like everything else, I'll try it. Okay, what's we got next? This is the Mana Kadar Cosmetics Lip Tint and Haze. A full size is $19. This hydrating lip tint works great alone or on top of your favorite lip color to give your lips a hint of sheer pink that shines. I not sticky. I'm having fun. Okay, we got an arrow. Nourishing lip oil. Never used a lip oil. It's clear. Full size is $16. This oil adds moisture to lips and actually looks like it actually locks it in with a blend of aloe, coconut oil, and shea butter. Apply to lips whenever they need an extra dose of hydration. It's basically just like a... See how thin it is. Is there anything in it? Yeah, it's basically just like a chapstick. It smells funny. Alright guys, and now we have the Ico Brow Liner in medium color. Full size is $20. Right there. Okay. It says... Here. This waterproof brow pen fills in sparse spots to make your eyebrows look naturally fuller. Apply light, short strokes in an upward motion, moving from your inner brow outward. So that's how you put it on. And then the last one, we have Wilma Schumann Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. Full size is $18. These pads are infused with pure collagen to hydrate, depuff, and plump your delicate under eye area. To use, place one under each eye and leave on for 20 minutes. And like this says here, contains one pair. So I'm assuming the full size comes with multiple in a package or a box, whatever. And that's it for the Birchbox. Here is everything. We've got the Benefit Cosmetics Their Real Mascara, the Ico Brow Liner, the Mana Kadar Cosmetics Lip Tint, the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, the Wilma Schumann Skincare, and Arrow Nourishing Lip Oil. So that's everything. I'm waiting for BoxyCharm to come in. I got my email with the shipment information, everything in it, and I haven't tracked it yet. It was just like yesterday that I received it. We're supposed to give it a little time. So I should probably receive it around the 15th or so. And then we'll get Ipsy again in June. So then I'm going to try to freeze the Birchbox again. I'm going to look on there again. It told me how to do it, but I did not have the option to freeze it and pause it. But I'll figure it out. So that's everything in the Birchbox for the month. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment and share this video. Thanks guys. Have a good night.